So in today's video, you are watching 2022 unique braided hairstyles. Yes, as you can see, we have a lot of latest trending tribal hairstyles here, as you can see. Okay, so stay tuned and watch till the end. Okay, so guys, shortly I'm going to be showing you how to achieve tribal hairstyle. Okay, remember we have different types of tribal hairstyles. Okay, you can come up with your own so long as it's unique and beautiful. It doesn't matter. So today we are going to use this mannequin head. Okay, we are going to see how I achieve this, even though I did not finish the whole hair, but at least I will show you how you can at least get to this point. Okay, at least you have some ideas on how to achieve something like this. Okay, so keep watching. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. How are you guys doing? I hope everyone is safe. If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Peculiar Hair. Feel good, look good, and beautiful. Here we upload latest hairstyle videos. So if you haven't joined the Peculiar Hair family yet, consider subscribing. Put your bell notification to all so you don't get to miss any of our uploads. So guys, before I will go ahead with the tutorial, I have an announcement. Okay, please listen very carefully. If you are here only for the hairstyles ideas and you are not comfortable when I am talking, okay, or you are distracted in any way because of my voice or my presence in this video, please kindly mute your audio, okay, and focus on the style. Okay, please. Then for those of you that have no problem with those mentioned, then we can proceed. Thank you for understanding. So guys, I'm going to be braiding all the way from here down to the ear, okay, towards the front side. So I don't know if you can see it, but let's see. I'll be adding a little extension. Have you liked the video yet? If not, go ahead and hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't done that already, and put your bell notification to all so you don't get to miss any of our uploads. Thank you. So guys, I'm going to be adding this bead, okay, here. I'm going to be adding it, so look at it. I didn't braid it up to here because I don't want it to be too long, so I'm not going to cut out this either. This is the mannequin hair, okay, with a little extension. So if I cut it now, definitely I'm going to cut the mannequin head. So let me see how it goes. Let me see if I can attach it and leave it that way without cutting it. So guys, this is it guys. So I use this little hair accessories. It's just like earring. I use it to secure here, okay, since I'm not going to be cutting this out, so I use it to secure here. Remember, we are only using this mannequin hair to practice, okay. If you are doing it on your client hair, you are going to cut out this. Definitely you have to cut it out, okay, secure it very nice. So because we are only practicing, so I'm not going to cut out this, but I've already shown you how to achieve it, okay. So yeah, this is how it looks. So I'm going to show you the final results. So I will go ahead and use this. This is another hair accessories, okay, like this. Then I'll also use this hair accessories. It looks like earring, okay. Then I'll put it here. So yeah guys, this is basically it. Our tribal hairstyle is ready, okay. So guys, you have to pull it off. I don't know if you can see, this is it. So this will be here, okay, it will be here. So you have to do the same, this side too, okay. So remember, tribal hairstyle, it can come with any style, okay, so with any design. So this one should be half up, half down. Okay, so if you are going for this half up half down, so all this place at the back, all this one at the back, either you braid them like box braid, everything will go down, or you can choose to weave it down like you do a cornrow down. Okay, everything will just go like this, everything will just fall. So but we are only practicing, I'm just showing you. Okay, I'm not going to go ahead and finish all the hair. So this is it. So by the time we finish weaving this side up, you see, so that is it. Yeah, so this is it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So see you on my next one. Bye.